How loud is the loudest snore? The average snorer snores between 50 and 65 decibels. Our Jenny Chapman from Great Britain, the record holder for snoring, I think her noise was 111.6 decibels. Her snoring was as loud as a jackhammer. This isn't a jackhammer, but pretty loud. If you want to stop sleeping with a jackhammer or even this hammer, then 67% of snorers will stop or reduce their snoring just by lying on their side. If you can optimise this position, then you're going to stay there for longer. So rather than buy an anti-snore pillow that just has the word anti-snore on it, find a pillow that supports you in a sideline position and goes from ear to tip of your shoulder and keeps you in a good alignment. There is a 67% chance that this will stop or reduce your snoring.